everyone, it's your BuhayMother Monica, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Before we start, I would like to thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't yet, please hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe, and as well as hit the notification button so that if there's any new videos of mine, you'll get notified straight away. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, as this will definitely help my channel grow. I have this Terracotta Warrior pot here, which we got from our trip from China many years ago, but never really got to display it to show its full beauty. So now I've used it as a focal point here in my succulent arrangement, which I'm loving, and especially this trailing jade. Most of the succulents here I bought from Risa's nursery, so all of her details will be in my description box. Also, in a couple of weeks' time, I will do a tour of her nursery, so please don't forget to hit your notification bell. I would like to thank Ate Maries for giving me this surgical tweezer. It actually made working with the small succulents a lot easier, so thank you so much. I would like to apologize to you guys because I've kind of lost the ID of the succulents, so I'll try my best to put the ID of the succulents that I know. hopefully you like this arrangement for today. See you in my next video.